Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to convert PDFs to Excel. So what you have to do is go on the search bar and type PDF to Excel. Now click on this first website, convert PDF to Excel. Now here select the desired PDF file. I'm going with this one. Click on convert to Excel. It will take a few minutes. Okay. Okay, PDF has been converted to an editable Excel spreadsheet. Here's the file, it is downloading. Now it will take a few moments. Click on it, and as you can see, the file has been converted to an Excel format. That's it for the video. For watching.